So this is exactly how to connect your 2.4G wireless controller gamepad to your laptop here, as you can see. So the first thing we need to do is to just turn it around here and make sure that this little switcher here is switched to 2.4G if you have that one. It's very important, otherwise it will not work. Then what we need to do is to grab the receiver that you should have actually gotten when you purchased your controller and then plug it into your laptop here. So I'm just gonna plug it in. I hope you can see, I'm just going to show you where I plugged it in. So for me, I had to plug it in there. Sometimes you have to plug it into your USB as well, just so you know. It depends on what type of controller exactly you have, of course. Then I'm just going to click on the start button here, and you can see the lights are actually blinking here. So I just need to wait for them to actually be recognized by the receiver and connect. Sometimes you also have to click on this button here to be able to enter pairing mode. It's not always, but sometimes you do. And you can see now, when this blinks for me, the controller is now actually connected to my PC here. So yeah, this is basically exactly how to actually do this.